Hey everyone, Antonio here from Paired Recruiting. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2024, how to find amazing talent on Indeed. Indeed is one of the largest job search engines globally, boasting millions of job postings and resumes, and the platform continues to evolve, offering a new set of tools and features to streamline your hiring process. In 2024, Indeed has enhanced its search algorithms, improved user experience, and even introduced AI-powered features that make finding the right candidates easier than ever. This is especially important as remote work continues to grow, allowing you to find the best candidates regardless of their location. If you're looking to grow your team with top-tier remote talent, remember, Paired Recruiting is here to guide you every step of the way. Okay, let's dive deeper into why Indeed is the top choice for finding talent in 2024. Indeed's user-friendly interface and comprehensive tools make it easy to post jobs, screen candidates, and manage the entire hiring process all from one platform. The platform's advanced search algorithms help match job postings with the most relevant candidates, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your team. One of the standout features of Indeed is its global reach, giving you access to a diverse talent pool. Indeed's AI-powered features, such as automated screening and candidate matching, save you time and effort by quickly identifying the best candidates for your roles. Another key advantage of using Indeed in 2024 is its focus on user experience. The platform is continuously updated to ensure both employers and job seekers have a smooth and efficient experience. Whether you need to fill a single position or build an entire team, Indeed has the resources and capabilities to help you achieve your hiring goals. To recap, Indeed's combination of advanced technology, global reach, and user-friendly design makes it the ideal platform for finding amazing talent in 2024. Okay, let's move on to the topic of optimizing your job postings. Creating an effective job posting is crucial to attracting top talent. Start with clear and concise job titles that accurately describe the role. You're also going to want to avoid jargon or overly creative titles that might confuse potential applicants. Next, provide detailed descriptions by clearly outlining the responsibilities, qualifications, and expectations for the role. You should also include information about the company, culture, and the team they'll be working with. Additionally, make sure to use relevant keywords in your job title and description to improve search visibility. By focusing on these elements, you'll create job postings that stand out and attract top talent. Okay, now that we've covered some of the basics, let's now review some of the more advanced tools that Indeed offers that can help you find the best candidates. Indeed Resume allows you to access millions of resumes and use filters to narrow down your search. Here, you can search by job title, location, skills, and more to proactively find and reach out to candidates who closely match your criteria. Indeed Assignments lets you pre-screen candidates with customizable assessments to evaluate their skills and fit for the role. These assessments cover a wide range of skills and help you quickly identify top candidates. The Indeed hiring platform helps you manage applications, schedule interviews, and even communicate with the candidates, all within Indeed. Lastly, sponsored jobs increase visibility for your job postings by sponsoring them. Your sponsored jobs will appear higher in search results and lead to more views and applications. Once you start receiving applications, the next step is to effectively screen candidates. First, you want to start with using resume filters. By using Indeed's resume filters, you can quickly identify candidates who meet your criteria. You can then filter by experience, education, skills, and even more to find the best matches. You can also include automated screening questions in your job postings to filter out unqualified candidates. For example, you can ask about the years of experience or specific skills they have. These assessments provide valuable insights into a candidate's abilities and help you determine if they are a good fit for the role. Reviewing assessment results can be a quick way to identify top candidates. Be sure to reach out to promising candidates quickly to keep them engaged and interested. Using prompt communication shows the candidate that you value their application and helps you stay ahead of other employers interested in the same candidates. The goal of effective candidate screening is to help you identify top talent with the best fit for your team and move them through the hiring process quickly and smoothly. Next, you'll want to prepare a set of standardized questions for structured interviews to ensure consistency. With structured interviews, they help you compare candidates more effectively and ensure you cover all of the important topics. Then you can focus on behavioral questions. These questions explore past experiences and how candidates handle specific situations. These questions can provide insights into a candidate's problem-solving abilities, work ethic, and fit for your company culture. Another great feature from Indeed Indeed for remote candidates is to use their video interview capabilities. Encourage your interview team to take notes and provide detailed feedback on each candidate. Then you can collect feedback from all the interviewers to make more informed decisions. Ensure that the interview process is positive for candidates by having clear communication, timely scheduling, and providing feedback that enhances the candidate's experience. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth and effective interview process. Once you've found your ideal candidate, now it's time to make the offer and start the onboarding process. Make sure your offer is competitive and reflects the candidate's value. Ideally, you'll have already done your research by looking at market rates to ensure your compensation package is attractive, which helps secure top talent. Once you're ready to provide details about salary, benefits, start date, and any other important information, it's time to communicate the terms to the candidate. Indeed's onboarding tools are a great way to streamline paperwork and training because a smooth onboarding process helps new hires feel welcome and ready to start their new role. Also, effective onboarding leads not only to higher employee satisfaction, but also retention. Plus, a positive onboarding experience sets the tone for a successful employment relationship. Okay, as you've seen, Indeed is a powerful platform for finding amazing talent in 2024. By optimizing your job postings, utilizing advanced tools, and conducting effective interviews, you can build a stellar remote team that drives your company's success. And remember, Paired Recruiting is here to help you find the perfect match for your team, making the process smooth and efficient. We also offer a risk-free guarantee. If you're not satisfied with your hire within the first 3 months, we'll find you a replacement at no extra cost. Our team of experts is dedicated to understanding your needs and finding the best candidates to meet your requirements. By choosing Paired Recruiting, you gain access to a vast pool of skilled professionals ready to contribute to your business's success. Whether you need software developers, digital marketers, graphic designers, customer service representatives, or engineers, just to name a few, we have the expertise to find the right talent for you. Visit our website or click the link in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. And I'll see you in the next video.